Hi, this is Karthik. In this session I am going to teach you how to work with application windows. Let me see what are the objectives in which I am going to cover through this presentation. First, what are the common parts of window, how to resize and close window, how to move between open windows, how to open, save and close the application programs, how to open, close, edit the files, how to save the file on disk, and how to save the files on different formats. These are the objectives in which we are going to see through this presentation. And let me see what is desktop. What is a desktop? A desktop is a area. For example, on the screen you can able to see this area in which the cursor move. The entire area span together, we can call it as a desktop. Or a desktop is a area in which it's a collection of system icons. For example, this my computer is a system icon, recycle bin is a system icon, and shortcuts. So this is a shortcut, this is a shortcut, and this is a shortcut. And folders, this one is folder, this one is folder, and documents. So a desktop is a collection of system icons, folders, and documents. Or whenever we log in into a computer, the first screen is visible to us is called as a desktop. Now I will teach you how to create a shortcut. There are two ways to create a shortcut. Press the Ctrl plus Shift key and select the folder, drag it and drop it on desktop. Second method, if you want to create any shortcut from start menu, you just right click start menu and drag and drop the icons. A shortcut will be placed. Let me have some example how to create a shortcut. For example, if I want to create a shortcut for this new folder, you press Ctrl Shift, drag it, drop it. For example, if I want to create for this document, shortcut for this document, press Ctrl Shift, drag and drop. Wow, a shortcut is created. If I want to create a shortcut for this, press Ctrl Shift, drag it and drop it. Shortcut is created. Or else you go for right click. Here is an option called as create shortcut. You can use this option for creating a shortcut. So these are the various ways in which we can able to use to create a shortcut. And next we'll discuss about files and application programs. Now we'll see what are the common parts of window, resize, minimize and close the windows, how to move between open windows, open, modify and save the application program, save the files in a folder on a disk, save the files in different formats. These are the things we are going to discuss right now. So we want to see recognize the different parts of the windows. So title bar, toolbar, menu bar, status bar and scroll bar. For example, so let us consider this word. Here we'll be having this is a title bar where we are going to give the title, the name, and this is menus and toolbar. Here we can able to see all the things on which it is present. We can call it as menus and toolbar. And this one is a scroll bar and this is called as a status bar. I will show you how to use this. Let me have an introduction for this. So use Windows button plus R. Here comes your run button. I am using WordPad. Type WordPad in this. Now the WordPad is open. So this is called as the title bar. You type something here. If you type, then here comes the scroll bar, and this is called as the status bar, and this is called as menus and toolbar. Right, once again I repeat, this one is called as title bar and this is called as scroll bar and this is called as status bar and these are menus and these are tools. and yeah, you can able to see this is minimize, this is maximize, this is restore, and this is close buttons. So to minimize the window, click on minimize icon. So this is a minimize icon. To maximize a window, click on maximize icon. This is a maximize icon. So whenever you want to restore a window, this is a restore icon. So whenever you want to close a window, this is a close icon. Yeah, I will teach you. For example, I will once again open a WordPad. Just a moment. Yeah, I will open a WordPad. Here comes. See, if I want to minimize it, yeah, it is minimized. See, it is stored in taskbar. If you want to maximize it, click it. Now it is maximize. So restore, restoring it to the original size is a restore, and this one is called as a close button. If I want to close this, use close button, or shortcut to close any application is Alt plus F4. Now close it. Don't save it. Now we'll see how to switch between multiple windows. See here, to switch between the multiple windows, so there are two options. To switch between an open application, simply click the application icon on the display in the taskbar, normally displayed across the bottom of your screen, and use Alt tab. See, whenever you want to shift between the application, for example, here I will be using some application. See, whenever I want to shift between the applications, let me open one more application. I am going to use WordPad. Yeah, now WordPad is there. See, so now I am having some application. Whenever I want to switch between this application, you use the cursors or mouse pointer. For example, if I need this application, yeah, it will come. Just click it, it will come. Whenever I need this application, you click it, it will come. Or else use the shortcut Control Tab. Can able to switch between the applications. Yes, yeah, you see now it's switching between the applications. Anybody can switch between your applications. So now I'm using Windows 8. If you are using Windows 7 or XP, you may also use Windows plus tab to move across open windows. Yeah, the same thing. To switch between the open application windows, simply click on the application icon as displays in the taskbar, normally displayed across the bottom of your screen. Yeah, see here, these are some of the open icons. Whenever you want to switch between these applications, you just click it, the corresponding or current application will be open, or else use the keyword Alt tab to migrate between the word. If you are using Windows 7 and Windows XP, you may use Windows plus tab key, which also used to migrate between the open windows. So launch a word processing program and click on start button. How to move the mouse pointer to program files and accessories from submenus, and click on WordPad. See now I am using currently Windows 8, so I cannot able to show a demo on this. Okay, I will show a demo. Okay, so I am using desktop. So here is a start button, and go for, here you type WordPad, WORD WordPad. Here it will comes, you can open it. This is one of the way, or else use Windows R and type WordPad. It is also one of the way in which we can able to open the WordPad. And if you type, it will come, you can able to access it. Or else you may use the run command. See, shortcut for run command is Windows plus R. The run dialog box will appear. Inside the run dialog box, type WordPad and press enter. Automatically the WordPad will open. Yeah, now you can able to see a clear picture. This is a run dialog box. Inside this box, type WordPad, WORDPAD, and press OK. Automatically WordPads will be open. So this is a WordPad. So again I repeat, so this is called as a title bar, and this is called as menus, file, home, view. These are menus, and this are the toolbar, and this is a status bar. Now I will teach you how to save a file. See, whenever we type something, we want to save the file. While saving, we want to give the file name or the document name as well as the corresponding location. So these are the two things. So there are two different, one is a save, other one is a save as. Let me see what is meant by save. So whenever we type something, the information should be saved on the computer using an option called as save. So this is an icon called as save this, or you may use the shortcut for Control S, or else you may use Alt F plus S. So now for this I will show a demo. So now I am already having an application. So I am going to type welcome you all for this session. So now I want to save. So go for file and see, this is save and this is save option. Save means if you give save first time, it will ask, this is a save dialog box. Here you want to give your name. Under this name the file will be stored. For example, Sam. I am going to give Sam. And next you want to give the format, in which format you want to save. For example, rich text format, or open Office XML document, or open document text document, MS DOS or Unicode text. Usually will save in rich text format. Save it. So before that, here you can able to see which location you want to save. So it will be stored in libraries and inside the document. No, I want to store it in desktop. Save it. Now we'll check either the file is stored or not. Yeah, here you can able to see sam.rtf rich text format file. Yes, just open it. Yeah, if you want to save this in some other name, now use the option save as. So give the current location. Yeah, give some other name and check it. Yes, see, this was a newly created for document. This is a older one, so in which we can able to use save and save as. Again I will repeat, what is the use of save? Whenever you wish to save your file, you first time you want to use save. Shortcut is Control S. So the information will be stored in a file or a document in some location, or use Control S. So whenever you save a file, you want to check, you want to give your file name and file type and where you want to save the document. So first, so location where you want to save the document, the file name and type, file type. And save as will be having different formats like rich text box, open office document. Likewise we can able to save in different format. Here you can able to see RTF, rich text box, text document, and MS DOS format, Unicode text document, so on so. So what is RTF? RTF is in rich text format and open XML document and open document text, and text document is MS DOS format, Unicode text format. These are the various format in which we can able to save a file. And this is in sample how to save a file. This is called as a save dialog box. Here we want to give the file name, and here you want to give the file type. Now this time I am going to save the file as a .html file. So here you can able to see it's a .html file. So now if I save this, it will be stored as sam.html. Now I will show a demo. So now go for and open a WordPad. So type something, hi, I welcome you all welcome you all. Right now I'm going to save as sam.html. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So where I'm going to save, I'm going to save in desktop. Save it. You search for SAM. So now you open this and open with Google Chrome or some web browsers. So HTML is a hypertext markup language. It will be opened only in web browsers. So a file like this will be created. So this is, you can able to see sam.html is an HTML file which will be executed on a web browser. So now it will be shown in a web browser like this. See, now it comes. Just get loading. So likewise we can able to save the files in different format. Hey, now you can able to see, hi, I welcome you all. See what we have typed. We have typed in WordPad document, but we can able to view in a web browser. So see the compatibility. So that's how. See the file format we can able to differentiate as we like. We can able to differentiate the file format. So this is a close button. So if you want to close any application, you just click the close button and the application will be automatically closed, or use the Alt F4 button. I thank you all for being with us for this session. Any doubts, please mail us.